Today, we're talking about chatbots and how they can help you make money. A chatbot is a computer program that simulates human conversation through text or voice commands. It can help with customer service, sales, and even marketing. And the best part? They're available 24/7, so you can make money even while you sleep. Chatbots have been around for a while, but with advancements in artificial intelligence, they're becoming more advanced and can handle more complex tasks. This means more opportunities for your business to make money. So, how can you make money with chatbots? One way is through customer service. By using a chatbot, you can handle a large volume of customer inquiries without the need for additional staff. This can save you money in the long run and improve customer satisfaction. Another way to make money with chatbots is through sales. Chatbots can help customers find products they're looking for, make recommendations, and even complete transactions. This can increase sales and make the purchasing process more efficient. And lastly, chatbots can also be used for marketing. They can help you gather customer data, send personalized promotions, and even retarget potential customers. This can lead to increased brand awareness and more sales. Chatbots are the future of business, and the opportunities to make money with them are endless. Don't be left behind, start incorporating chatbots into your business today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more business tips and tricks. And don't forget to implement chatbots in your business and see the money rolling in.